So at Care Cover, we've made the fabric upholstery care kit as a very easy and simple way for you to clean and protect your fabric upholstery, whether in the home, the office, the car, or anywhere else. It's environmentally friendly, water-based, and very easy to use. So inside the kit we have the fabric spot cleaner. Now, this product is designed to clean specific spills and marks, dirt and grime on your fabric upholstery. So when using the fabric spot cleaner, the first step is to spray an even amount onto the microfiber cloth, and you can be quite generous with this. You want the solution to be in the cloth, and then use a dabbing motion to clean out the affected area. We don't want to spread this around, so the dabbing and twisting motion isolates the dirt and the grime and let the cleaner do all the work. So the other product that we have is the fabric protection shield. And this product is fantastic, designed to stop and prevent stains from occurring on your fabric upholstery. When using the fabric protection shield, you want to spray an even amount over the surface that you're protecting. We do that by positioning the bottle about 10 centimeters from the surface and just applying in an even direction, left to right, until the surface is damp. So after applying the fabric protection shield, allow it to dry for up to 24 hours. Now this can take a little longer in colder climates. You want to make sure that the surface is touch dry before you use it. And finally, we have a reusable microfiber cloth. Use this when using the spot cleaner to clean out those stubborn dirt, grime and stains, and rinse it out with clean water to use again and again and again.